Want to showcase impressive stats or milestone with style on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the number counter block from Nextblocks. Perfect for creating animated number counters that captures attention. Whether you are celebrating user counts, revenue figures, or project milestone, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the number counter block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for number counter. This is the block. Simply enable it. Let's see the settings of number counter block from Nextblocks. In the Content tab, you will find two predefined styles, Style 1 and Style 2. Each will add a unique style to your number counter. Then from the alignment, you can align the content. In the title field, you can add the title for the number counter. Then from the link field, you can add a link to the number counter. Then from the icon type section, you can add images to the number counter. You can add an icon. For icon, you can add icons from font or dash icons. You can add an image like we have added over here, or you can add your custom SVG as well. Then from the digit tab, you have to set the initial number from where the counter will begin. And then the final number, you have to set the final number where the counter will end. Then from the number gap animation, you can set the number gap between each number change. Then from the time delay, you can set a time delay between each number change. Then from the numeration type, you can set how the numeration will look. You can set to Indian or international. Then from add symbol or content section, you can add a symbol before the number, after the number, or you can add before and after both. Then from the accessibility tab, you can add an eye label to improve the accessibility of this block. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the main title tab, you can adjust the typography of the main title. You can even add global typography as well. Then you can adjust the title color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the spacing above and below the text. Then from the digit tab, you can adjust the style of the digit, the counter number. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust color for normal and hover states. You can adjust spacing above the counter. Then from the post prefix tab, you can adjust the symbol typography. You can adjust the color for normal and hover states. If you have selected image, you will see this image tab. From here, you can adjust the image width. If you have selected icon, you will see icon tab. From here, you can change the icon shape. You can adjust the size, width. You can change the icon color for normal and hover states. You can adjust the background, border radius, box shadow. If you have selected custom SVG, you will see this SVG icon tab. From here, you can select SVG animation type. You can set the duration. You can adjust the width. You can add border color, fill color. Then from the background option, you can style the container of this number counter. You can adjust the border, background, box shadow for normal and hover states. Then from the extra options tab, you can add padding to the container of this number counter. To add multiple number counters like we have added over here, you have to use multiple number counter block to create such layouts. In the advanced, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the number counter block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.